Sure, it's getting windy out here. I had a feeling that we might get a storm here. There's that little kitten. And why does she keep following me everywhere I go? Weird. Here it is. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. What in the world? This little kitty, I wonder what she's after while following me. It might have been after my shoes. As something for her to play with. My feet. Here it is. The heavy wind. Looks like it's going to be a strong one. Here it is. The heavy wind. What's going on with them leaves on the tree? Here it comes. The heavy wind. Might have a hurricane. Here it is. The heavy wind. Here it comes. Here it is. Here it comes. The heavy wind. Uh-oh. Sound like a rumble of thunder. You know what that means. Rain. Here it comes. Here it is. The heavy wind. What is going on with this little tree? Here it is. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. There you have it. Goodness, almost tripped over this little kitten. This kitten keeps following me and always in my way. Gotta watch out for this little fellow. Here it is. The heavy wind. I think I felt a raindrop. Wait a minute. Really, is it going to rain soon? Huh. No wonder. So this little kitten is after my buckle. Silly cat. There you have it. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. And here comes the raindrops. I can feel it now. And it's getting ready to rain. There you have it. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. The heavy wind.